Hello students, let's discuss about the concept of enculturation and acculturation. Enculturation is the process of learning culture of own, and acculturation is the process of learning of host's culture, values, norms, etc. So both these terms we will discuss in detail in our next slides. Now, what is enculturation? The concept and nature of enculturation. With the help of this slide, we would like to understand you people about the concept of enculturation. Enculturation, as I have already shared with you, that it is the process of learning our own culture. Fine. That is, enculturation refers to the process of learning own, that means native culture. The term enculturation is anthropological term used for socialization, as both these terms refer to the process of learning through social interaction. Enculturation teaches the individual their role within the society. ठीक है, एनकल्चरेशन जो है वो इंडिविजुअल्स को उनका रोल बताता है कि उनका क्या रोल है या उन्हें कैसे बिहेव करना है विद इन द सोसाइटी, बिकॉज you all know that what culture means. Culture is the total way of life and how to live in the society, because every society has its own cultural norms, beliefs, customs, rituals, even behavior, and in both way, material and non-material. So enculturation teaches the individuals, or we can say that the members of the society, to play their role within the society, that what to do and what not to do, what actions comes in the social norms, what is right, what is wrong in the society where they are living. So all these include enculturation. Enculturation teaches the individual about their accepted behavior within that society also. जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं, हमें बचपन से ही सिखाया जाता है, even we can say that right from the conception the baby starts interaction with his family members, and after his or her birth, parents teach their children how to eat, drink, walk, play, etc. All this is what? This is enculturation. जैसा कि मैंने अभी आपसे कहा कि कल्चर क्या है. कल्चर वो हमारा वो सब कुछ जो हम अपनी लाइफ में करते हैं, दैट इज़ द टोटल वे ऑफ द लाइफ. और हम जब अपने बच्चे को सोसाइटी में उसको नॉर्म्स बताते हैं, रिचुअल्स बताते हैं, उठना बैठना सिखाते हैं, ये सही है, ये गलत है, बिकॉज एवरी सोसाइटी हैज़ इट्स ओन पर्टिकुलर नॉर्म्स, बिहेवियर, बिलीव्स, कस्टम्स, रिचुअल्स, एट्सेट्रा. सो ऑल दिस इज व्हाट? दिस इज enculturation. I hope you all will be able to recall and understand the concept of enculturation. Now we will study about the concept and nature of acculturation. What is this acculturation? Acculturation refers to the process of learning host's culture. यानी कि दूसरे के कल्चर को अडॉप्ट करना, सीखना, उसको यूज करना, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज acculturation. Acculturation also refers to the second culture learning. I think inculturation क्या हुआ, अगर हम इसे कंपैरिजन करें, inculturation हुआ फर्स्ट कल्चर लर्निंग, और acculturation जो है दैट रेफर्स टू द सेकंड कल्चर लर्निंग. Acculturation also refers to the process of cultural modifications of an individual or group of individuals by adopting the traits from another culture where he lives in. सिंपल भाषा में हम बात करें, जब हम किसी दूसरे कल्चर के कांटेक्ट में आते हैं या उसके प्रभाव में आते हैं, तो हम उस कल्चर को अडॉप्ट करते हैं. अडॉप्ट करने से हम अपने कल्चर में कुछ मॉडिफिकेशंस ले आते हैं. Fine. This is what? This is acculturation. So I think this adopting the foreign culture or the other cultural norms and values is known as acculturation. And I think this happened due to the social interaction through technology and with mass media where people learn new values. There are some of the reasons that I have just discussed with you, that even when the people migrate from one place to another, they come in contact with the other culture and they modify their own culture also. So this is all about the acculturation. And mostly what happened, that group of people acculturate because they are influenced by the dominant culture in a given society. For example, अगर हमारे किसी एक कल्चर में या यूँ कह सकते हैं किसी एक देश में उसका पहनावा कुछ और है, और अगर वो वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज में चले जाते हैं तो वो वहाँ पे उनके पहनावे के अनुसार अपने पहनावे को अडॉप्ट कर लेते हैं. तो व्हाट इज इट? दिस इज ऑल्सो अकल्चरेशन. हमारा खान पान, हमारा बैठना, इवन हमारे बिलीव्स, इन सब में जो हम मॉडिफिकेशंस करते हैं, all that is what? All that is acculturation. I hope you all will be able to understand and recall these two definitions. So thank you so much.